Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video of the Python crash course, Python for beginners. So in this video, today we are going to learn about conditional statements. So let's get right into it. Now conditional statements, what are they? As the name suggests, they are the statements that require certain conditions to be fulfilled for the output to be displayed. Now what are those conditions and what are the keywords we need to use? So here are the three keywords you need to use: if, elif, and else. Now, if, I'll tell you with an example. There's a traffic light in your crossroad. Now, there are three lights of the crossroad: red, yellow, and green. So, if the light is red, then you have to stop. Else, if the light is yellow, you have to watch and slow down. Else, you should just go. Now, the three keywords I've used are these itself. If the light is red, that's the first condition. If it is true, the output will be displayed, and if it's false, it moves on to the next category, which is else if. Else if is nothing but elif in the programming world. Elif, the light is yellow, then you have to stop. You have to watch and slow down. Even if that is false, then it moves on to the last and the final condition, else. Like, even if the all the functions are false, the last one would be else, and that would be executed. So let's try that with an example. I'll create a variable named light and leave it a string. If light variable is equal to red color, then print me to stop. Else, if light variable is equal to yellow color, print to slow down. Else, if both of these conditions are false, then this is going to get executed. Else, colon, print, go, print go. Yes, now we have this simple code written. Now, if the light is red, then it would display stop. Else, if the light is yellow, then it will display slow down. Else, if the if and the elif statement are both false, then it will print go. Now, let's keep the light as yellow. Yes, now let's run it. As you can see, we got the condition fulfilled, like the light is yellow, so it will print slow down. That's what we got. Now, what is happening behind the scene? First, if it is checking if the light is red, no, it's not. So move on to the next condition. Next, else if the light is yellow, yes, it is matching. So print slow down, and it printed slow down. Now, an important thing to notice or to get to know is that we can have n number of elifs in a code, n number of elifs and n number of ifs. as well. But else will be only the one at the end. Now, as I said, there can be n number of ifs. Let's try that. If light equal to yellow, then print slow. Now, as you can see, there is no issue. Even if we have two of the ifs, it just considers its action and checks whether the light is yellow or red. Now, if we put elif in the now this gives an error because the first statement should always be if. This is the syntax you have to follow. First statement should always be if, and the last statement should always be else. The middle statements or the n number of statements you can add in the between of them can be all elif. Now, a point to be noted here is that the elif works only if the if function is false. For example, let's keep this light as red. Now, will you think the elif function will work or the if function? Let's see. It says stop. Now, where is this? The thing to be noted is that if the if statement is true, then it bifurcates all the other functions and just prints the output required. The elif statement only works if the if statement is false. Now, let's take another example. Another elif, light equals green. Then print go. Now, let's add the else statement as broken. Now, what if you mention the traffic signal turns pink or blue or orange? Let's see. Pink. It says broken. Do you know why? Because if the light is red, it's not. So, next condition. Else, if the light is yellow, it's not. Next condition. Is it green? No. Else, is it a different color? Yes. So print broken. Broken. So that is the basic concept, and it's a very simple concept of conditional statements. So I hope you have all understood very quick, and because I've explained it in a simple and a shortcut manner, and it's very simple to learn as well. So I hope you have understood everything. Happy learning. This is Prajeet signing off.